Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. I got a quick reaction video on a man that went out and bought a house for $24,000 on Amazon using his Amazon credit card, which I have. This is actually a great card, but you know, spending $24,000 on that credit card, is it worth it? That's up to you. Everybody makes their own decision. So let's sit back. We're gonna react to this probably at the end or in the middle. Let's see what he got to say about making this purchase.
For today, y'all can take my card. I don't need it. I'm 23 years old. I just bought a house off Amazon. Take the card. Take the fucking card away. I bought a fucking house on Amazon. A whole house on Amazon.
Now, this is something interesting because I got two plots of land here in Florida. And I was looking into this when Amazon first dropped this, because at that time I was looking at mobile homes, trailers to put on the land that I have. And then this came out. I never got too deep into it to see the overall review on it, if it was a good purchase. But after seeing him, I'm gonna start looking into it, man. I seen one other person speaking on it. It was like okay reviews, but let's see what he got to say it, man. This might be a good investment, man. You gotta, just do your homework, do your research on it before you make any move, any investment, before you spend any money on any kind of credit card, man. That's first thing first.
It'll be here on the 29th. Bitch, all I'm gonna say is, go buy y'all a house, shit. The house was originally $24,000. After tax and everything, it came up to 26. Still not bad.
Definitely not bad, for that. But again, it's gonna depend on that credit card that he used. What is that interest rate? You gotta be careful when you're making purchases on your credit card, because it might look like a good thing at the beginning, but when that interest start, adding up over time, and you're not paying that off maybe in a year and a half, you might, it's people that might have this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. You might be buying this house 2 or 3 times. But again, everybody got to make their own decision. You just got to be smart when you're making investments.
I don't even know where I'm going to put the house.
Definitely, I don't think this was a good idea to go make a purchase like this and you don't have nowhere to put it, no land, no space, this was kind of crazy. But again, everybody got to make their own decisions.
I'm going to show y'all the house. Oh, and another thing. She also helped me find the place that the house is stored at right now, because I have not bought the land yet. I really wanted to see see how big it is. So they opened it, they unfolded it for me and everything, and excuse me, they unfolded it for me and everything. So when they deliver it, they're gonna put it back down, and when they get to the location, they'll put it back up. They only charge me $750 for that.
Now, I'll definitely have to say, for doing delivery, putting it all together, you don't got to do no work. You just sit back for $750 is really good. But number two is that now he has it at a place they're charging $150. $150. Again, these fees will start tallying up. So you got to think about the investment that you're going to do with it. No matter what field you in, no matter what you're spending this money on, this is your money, and you have to be smart with it. But again, everybody make their own decisions.
If it's here every week, I have to give them $150 every week, because
that's $600 a month. So if it takes you a year, that's a lot of money, people. That's $7,200 a year he'll pay if he keeps it there for 12 months. Crazy, but
storage here. And then they're just gonna keep it up like this, just in case I want to come back and visit it anytime. Yeah. So let me show you the inside. This is the outside. They already set it up and everything. It's big. And the crazy part about it, y'all, I thought they sent the wrong order, because
definitely this looking at the outside is definitely not bad so far, but let's see the inside.
It was white. It came in like a white container, but they took everything out. This, the plumbing and stuff right here. This is the doors. The doors are T, y'all. No shade. T doors. T doors. No shade. This is one of the couches she gave me. I don't know if this is a couch or a deck. Let me stop saying that. This is one of the things she gave me. This is the kitchen area. This is...
So far, not bad. I definitely have to say, I'm gonna have to start looking into this more, because this might be a good idea to use.
the bathroom. I like the bathroom, but I don't like that.
You get this, put this on a piece of land, get everything set up the proper way, plumbing and everything, man. Put some renters in here and start generating some money, man. Gotta stop being lazy, man. Gotta do the work, man. Gotta use them cards, man, for the right things, though, man. I want you to invest smart, man.
Everything is like, I don't know, plastic, fake marble. I don't know. That's the thing. The ceilings are very low, y'all. I'm not gonna lie right there. The ceilings are very low. This is the other couch that she gave me. I don't know. Listen, Karina, I don't know if you're trying to be shady, sister, but Pink, girl, call me again. We'll have a talk. I'm just playing. Thank you, though.
So again, this is an overall quick video on this. Again, this might be something that you might want to look into, but it gotta make sense. I mean, for the price of $24,000, with tax and everything, $26,000, I believe $200 is not that bad. But if you have the land, which I have, 2 properties right now, cleared out, ready to put, basically I could build a home, mobile homes, trailers, things like this. It doesn't matter. This might be a great opportunity. But if you have a space, man. But overall, again, the height, only about 6 feet, is going to be an issue for somebody that's tall. So again, my overall review of it, might be a good idea, man. I'm going to look into it, and I'll come back with a part 2 with my own review on this. I'm going to actually try to go out there and see if they have places where they have them up where I can actually walk in it and see it myself. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.